19 Principles of Account, past question number 29. Expenses paid during the conversion of a partnership to a company are: option A says realization account, credited to realization account. Option B says debited to the partner's capital account. Option C says debited to realization account. Option D says debited to the cash account. When companies are turning from partnership business to a company, one of the reasons for that is for higher capital, higher income, higher capital base. Higher capital base can be the reason for their income conversion to partnership account. So credited to realization accounts, a conversion expenses is not credited to realization accounts. A conversion expenses is not debited to partners current capital accounts. A dissolution conversion expenses is not debited to the cash account. It is debited to the relation account on the debit side of the relation account. So option C is the right answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.